What's happening? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. What I do. And today we've got one from Indonesia. This is Fitmee Rasa Soto. This is chicken soto Konjac noodle. Or Konjac noodle. I'm really still on the fence about how to pronounce this one. Crack it open, get it cooking, because this needs 5 minutes today. Alright. So, see all this? We put all this together in 400 mils of water. Cook it for 5 minutes. You're done. You put it all together there. And what happens? You've just had 60 calories worth of food. Yeah, it's pretty ridiculously amazing. For somebody who's like really on it as far as calories, that being me, this is like really neat. And here's the noodle block. It's slightly squishy. It's kind of interesting, but bloop. That goes in for 5 minutes. So does the vegetable sachet. Contents, which look to be like that. And in they go. All of them. Ouch. A little slight stir. And not let them boil over. Because that is something I hate it when I let noodles boil over. I detest it. But hey, anyways, so you got that. This is a big pouch of powder seasoning. This is fried shallot that'll go on top. Some chili powder and an oil sachet. That's seasoned oil. And, you know, I should cut this up right this second. I bought this at the store this morning. It's a lime. And it shows a lime on the package. That's why. Sometimes you guys are like, oh wow, that's so amazing. And it's just like, look, there's lime. Yeah, I go with the whole concept of doing the serving suggestion. And honestly, so more often than not, it's just like, I can kind of make it look like that. That's my whole thing. Like, really? That's all you're doing? Yeah. Don't you feel cheated now? Thinking I was like some kind of fancy chef or some crap? No. They suggest, so I just basically go, okay, I'll give that a try. Maybe I can make it look like that. Doesn't mean it's gonna taste great, but generally, those serving suggestions are there for a reason. And not cutting my hair. Lime. And for my troubled, I went to go get the lime. Our local Safeway store was kind enough to give me another 500 of these silly tickets. And actually, today's the 7th. The whole prize thing ends today. So it's like, yep. What we get? Nothing. Yeah, I don't do the top and bottom anymore. I've been doing this for a little while. I just go. Nope, nothing. No more 12 seconds per. Doing light speed. Nothing. Wow, maybe that's the deal. We give out boxes of 500 that definitely don't have any winners. Wow, usually there's at least a coupon by now. $0.50 off some kind of baked snack that we don't eat. We got a minute left. Come on, free. Instant win. No. But it's like, I did a small stack compared to this, like that tall. It took like half an hour. It's like, this is like for people who really, really want to invest a lot of time. And that's not me. Instant win. Guess what I won? More tickets. Seconds, more nothing. But yeah, this is Indonesian ultra low cal noodles, so I'm like all stoked because not a lot of new stuff from Indonesia comes across the desk. And this is who sent this? Empire International. They're like one of the larger distributors of Indonesian foodstuffs in the United States. So, I believe they distribute one of the main distributors. Like I think they're the West Coast distro for Indomie. Okay, these have gone for enough. Let's see. Now we're gonna have instant noodle sachet time. So here comes the big one of powdered stuff. A lot of coconut milk here. Wow. A lot of coconut milk in this. Whew. Rad. I like that. That's intense. And then we've got a seasoned oil. And again, I gotta say, I'm floored. I figured this would be like an expensive item. These are like, I wanted to say it was like 6 of them for $10 on Amazon. Which is pretty darn good. Indonesian noodle products usually are pretty fairly priced. Oh my god, that smells freaking amazing. I am not kidding. This smells like decent Soto. Has a really nice lime scent to it. And there's shallots too. I'm stoked on that. Ow. Okay. And that was chili flake. Alright, well I am like ultra set to give this a try, so let's give this a taste. Here's the noodle. Whoa. Wow. Okay. I'm going to say right now that aside from the fact that the whole pack is only 60 calories, it's freaking amazing tasting. That's going to be a 5. There's no way around it. That's like, wow. And you know, cooking the noodles for 5 minutes, they've still got that rubberiness to them. I'll say that, but it's like it's so doable when it's coupled with that flavor. I mean, it tastes freaking amazing. It's like lime and coconut. It's a lime and a coconut and a little bit of spiciness. Wow. Okay. Let's get you in on this. Got an egg. And that's a jumbo egg. So this egg being added in ups the caloric amount. What? 150%? Yeah, it's 90 cals for a jumbo. And here's a little bit of chicken. I'm gonna guess this is like, oh, I could have weighed it, but I'm gonna guess that's maybe like, say 40 grams of chicken, so that's probably gonna be about, oh, let's just say it's like 50 more calories. So we got 90, 140 plus 60. This right here is 200 calories, I'm gonna guess. And here's maybe like 2 calories, maybe 2. Coriander, maybe 2 more. I'm gonna say this whole bowl is probably just over 210 calories. And honestly, I'm not crapping you here. This stuff tastes really good. Oh yeah, we gotta... Can't forget the lime. Alright. Let's get rotatoing. Ready, set. Oh, it's the end of the song. We gotta have a new song. Not that one though, that doesn't fit with this. Yeah. Samba. Oh, that stuff's spicy. Cool. Well, you can find this stuff on Amazon. This stuff also came from, what do you call them? Empire International. Just type in Empire International on Google and you'll find all their stuff. And yeah, the sambal stuff, it's a lemongrass and lemongrass, shallot, chili sauce, sambal mata. Yeah. Awesome, amazing, cool. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.